Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can customize AssistiveTouch top level menu. So when you open up your AssistiveTouch, this is the top level menu. So we're going to take a look at how you can customize it so that you can have a different shortcut instead of the default. So first, on your home screen, tap on the settings icon. And in the settings page, we're going to go down and tap on accessibility. Then we're going to tap on touch. Then tap on assistive touch. In the assistive touch, you want to tap on customize top level menu. Now these are the defaults, and later on, if you mess it up, you can always tap on the reset button to go back to the default setting. So let's start to customize this top level menu. So here are the default. So you can see here we got notification center, device, control center, home, Siri, and custom. So you can start to replace top level menu icons. So for example, if you want to replace device with the lock screen, you can choose lock screen and then tap on done. So now you can see on my assistive touch menu here, instead of going to the device, I can now tap on the lock screen button. Now you can go ahead and change any of this icon. You can also change the custom icon. So with the custom shortcut, you can go down here and choose anything that you like. Spotlight, and then tap on done, and you can test it out. So you can see if you tap on spotlight, it open up this one here. You can also add more icons. You can have up to a maximum of 8 icons at the top level menu. Now once you tap on the add button, you need to choose what goes in that box. So here you can choose, for example, app switcher, done, then tap on this again, and then you can mute, for example, and then tap on done. So tapping on that, that will allow you to quickly mute the volume or unmute. App switcher, you can tap on that to switch between apps. And you can also remove items. So here you can remove items if you don't want to use it. And you can also remove all of them except one. And then you can, for example, choose that one particular button. So I'm going to choose home, for example. And if I tap on this button here, it always go back to home. And so that's how you can customize your assistive touch top level menu. So that's just the top level menu. Of course, you can also go down and customize more things, such as single tap, double tap. So what happens when you double tap on certain thing, or if you long press on it, then what happened? Because at the moment we haven't selected anything. So let's say if I long press on this one, it will open up the menu. And that's it. So that's how you can make the changes. And once you're happy, you can just swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.